1997 habe ich noch ein Duett mit dem gemacht. Ich war ganz geschockt. Er hat viele schöne Lieder geschrieben, aber eins davon, das singen die Leute noch in 200 Jahren, denke ich mal. So, und hier ist John Denvers Take Me Home, Countryroads.
Wow!
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is older, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories get around her. Mindless lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty days of moonshine, teardrops in my eyes. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear a voice in the morning, oh, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country road.